What is good, y'all? We are about to go to class. It's gonna be a day in the life of a college student. Y'all about to see. We running a little mad late, but it's cool. I might move us to the metas so we can see how it is in that. But yeah. All right, yeah. We dead ass right here on campus. I don't live too far, but I still gotta park. I still gotta walk to class. Oh shit, I'm gonna be late. Nah, that's cool. Let's hope we find a parking, chat. Holy shit, this parking lot's always so fucking full. I swear, this is the thing that makes me late the most, is finding parking. Shit is atrocious. Let's go. Found the parking. Let's go. Now time to walk to fucking class, yo. Fuck. Walking to class, chat. It's low-key a beautiful day. I like the rain, but I hate driving in it. But I don't mind it, just because I can't go fast, you know? But we on our way to class. Yeah, just leaving class. We still gotta come back later. W class, you know? Shit, showed up on time, got no answers wrong. Look, he was feeling myself. Holy. It's good, y'all. We back. We back at the whip. Gonna drive to crib. Shit, I don't know. Probably cook up some breakfast. Now let's enjoy this. A little drive through campus. I be seeing a M4 on campus, and I'm like, holy shit, what do I need to do? Surprised me ain't see it. Usually I pass it. It's good, y'all. We head into our next classes. Yeah, this is day in the life, you know? Day in the life of college. Go to class, come back to the crib, make some food, go to class, do some homework later. But yeah, we heading back to campus. Gotta go back to class. Yeah, these POVs, I don't know how y'all feel about this whole like transition from camera to metas. Kind of, I think we gonna show a lot more of our day. I think we gonna go to the gym later, get some cool clips of me, you know, speeding up a little, not too crazy. I do want to get all my mods started going, you know, like I want my downpipe ECU unlocked and a tune, but your boy got EDC coming up and I need to save for that. So my money right now is on pause for my car. I'm just gonna spend on EDC. But rest assured, after May, April, May, June, July, more like July, I'd say, give me June to recover. But July, realistically, I'm looking to do all the tune, get all that shit ready to go. And yeah. But until then, we just gonna enjoy our car how it is, you know. I mean, it's chill, I guess. It's calm, it's cool, it's whatever, you know. It ain't an M3, but it's an M340i. 4-4 crossing the road. What the fuck? He dead ass used the crosswalk too. What the fuck? It's actually kind of funny. Oh, now to find parking, y'all. I got class in 9 minutes. I got a test every day before class. So I have to show up on time. I can be like a minute late, but I'll be chilling. I just need to find some W parking spot. I can't take too long because I still gotta walk. Fuck. W song chat. I feel like I would kill it in some IRL streaming, y'all. I don't know though. That's just me. Man, fuck. Everywhere's getting taken. What the fuck is going on? Yup. VIP parking, y'all. I knew it, chat. Shit, and we not gonna be late for class. Let's go. Yes, I'm done. Let's get to fucking class. Some lame ass shit, man. What the? Damn. She probably thinks I was talking to myself. Yo, Chad, that's kind of funny. Bro, but where's my cap? Bro, I didn't bring my cap. Yo, I'm fucked. Love this ring. Yeah, y'all. We just finished class. We done for the day with classes. We probably gonna head to the gym pretty soon here. I'll record that as well. Probably let the rain simmer down a little bit so we can get some good driving clips. But yeah, I'll catch y'all back real soon. Man, y'all let me know what else y'all want. Like some day in the lives. Shit, I don't know. But I'm trying to make this personal. You know, build a little connection with y'all. Damn, y'all, I made it just in time. I left my back window open and it's about to start pouring. I hear it. Oh shit. You got an ore farm in the rain, y'all. Ooh, it's freezing. At us. You know what today is calling for? A beautiful smoke sesh. Man, y'all like love the rain like I do. I fucking love the rain. Like I said, I just don't really like driving in it, but it's cool. It's BH. I wish I lived in like Washington where it always rains. Fuck. I think rain is so beautiful. Alright, y'all. We on the way to the gym. We're gonna get some cool little clips. We back from the gym though. And yeah, that's pretty much like our day in the life of a college student. I didn't show y'all like cooking or me studying or me doing my homework, but that's like how it consists of in my day-to-day experience with this car. It's cool, it's calm, it's a great daily, it's fast. So yeah, let me know what more y'all want to see. I feel like I might do something like for the mod soon, like as a mod, but I'm not sure. But as far as like the big ones, that's not gonna be anytime soon. But for sure, like little mods, cosmetic mods, I think I'm gonna do before EDC, so that way we can at least have something to like post about, you feel me? But yeah, let me know what y'all think. And yeah.